Good morning, everyone. How you doing? I am feeling good. I thank God. I hope you too. Today I just want to do a vlog. I just felt like vlogging today, um, and I hope it's gonna be a good one. I hope. I hope. So I have a shoot today. I might actually take you guys with me. Look at me. I have a mask on. Yeah, this is lemon and honey mixed together. I just felt like my skin needed some sort of boost, so I decided to do a mask. Anyway, I am ready for my day, just preparing my things. Maybe I'll show you a little bit of that, and then get you guys with me on the road. Yes. So this is the first thing that I normally take whenever I wake up, and it's lemon water, but I had taken chamomile tea yesterday night and the tea bag is still in my cup. I normally use a tea bag until it's totally drained. So right now I just added lemon inside this. Yeah, I just added lemon because I didn't want to throw it away. Even if I used it yesterday night. Yeah, I might still get something out of that tea bag. Yeah, so yeah, let's see how this day goes. So here is my messy table with a couple of things. I'll be packing my camera in here because I love to just put them separately. Yeah, just a little bit of that because I'm planning to shoot a tutorial while there. These are some lashes that I got recently from N&K Lashes. By the way, you guys did an amazing job. They look so beautiful. They are created by Njanja and Steve Kobe. They're makeup artists, if you don't know them, and they're pretty awesome. Look at this. I might actually use them today. I was planning to use them on myself first, but my eyes have been having some issues, so I just can't touch them. So yeah, I might use them on a model, one of the models. This is also something I bought recently from MAC, and I want to try it out as well today and see if it works or not. Better work. And then my camera gear, my battery charger, my lens, and the body, the camera body. This is how I store them. And I made this, by the way. I made these ones. Yes, I did them myself. Needle and thread. So I'm gonna pack them into here and then, yeah, leave. Oh, this bag is so beautiful, don't you guys think? Oh yeah, I was given this bag when I went for the Black Opal event, and I use it to go for shopping. I'm that person with I use it for shopping. Today it's gonna be my bag, my camera bag. Okay, let me just do this. Stop rambling and pack and go. Let's dream, create, and inspire. I love just reading this every single day. Yeah, keeps me going. Today, yeah, so I just got here and I'm super excited for this day. I think it's gonna be an awesome day. So yeah, let me just remove all the things from the car and then see you in a bit. Say hi, Maggie. Hi. Yes, that's one of the models. doing with your nails?
I'm doing fine.
Good.
Goals, slay queen.
What up, people? Hi.
How you feeling?
Feeling irate.
Have you?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good, and I'm so humbled to be featured in this vlog.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. You're still here working. It's already 7. You're tired. But it's worth it, it's worth it. Yes, it's worth it. You're done? You're done?
I'm not done.
Okay.
Almost, but you can come and
Sawa.
just do a final touch.
So you just finish and then I'll come do the touch-ups. Okay. So we're done. It's been a good day, good shoot day, and that's a wrap for this vlog as well. Until the next one, peace, love, and makeup.